I haven't made a video in a long time. Sorry, that's my dog. Joel, move! God, move! Sorry. I haven't made a video in a long time. What? What do you want me to do? Hey! What are you doing? Move!
Baby, Bobby.
That's her, guys.
Don't move it. Her tail.
Joel.
Her tail. Squiddy puppy.
Hi there. I see you too. I see you too. Hey. Help me.
Joel. Stupid
Hey,
puppy.
you know what? Oh. Get down. Leave now. You just saw me sexually harass my dog. How excited
Joel,
is that?
what the heck?
Joel, move! You're so stupid. Look, go mess with that. Whatever that was. Okay, it's one of the toys. Okay. This one is called Random Ringtones. I don't know why. I just feel like I want to do random ringtones and I have nothing else to do. I have no life. You call which one's free? Convertible or SUV? Too bad I didn't know my credit was bad. So I'm riding a lot and a used subcontact FREE. That spells free. Creditreport.com, baby. Saw their ads on my TV. I don't know. Oh, beep beep. I'm a beep. Move! I'm a nerd. I don't have no. I'm a geek. I'm a nerd, geek. I don't know what this is. Don't jump!
She's crazy, everybody. Don't worry. She's not going to come out the camera.
That bitch jumped. Sorry.
Broken.
Please, I'll pull the trigger. You whoreness. What is everyone going on here? Like, can we all just be X's and O's and just give each other a hug? I mean, I'm like a freaking lollipop. I'm just like freaking sweet hot hating on me. Must call him back. Yup. She should. Yup. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat. Yep. Or how about that has your fat. Yep. I'm gonna pick up. Don't pick up the phone. It's your mama. Don't pick the phone. It's your mama. Don't pick the phone. It's your mama. Don't pick the phone.
It's your mama. Don't ever dance to this.
Do you have a best friend too? He just doesn't like tell me he's so yummy that you should be your best friend too. Okay. This one. I hate this song. Oh wait, Cartman! Mr. Garrison? Go, fat boy. Hey, look on his face, fucking Jew. There, you just say the F word. Jew? Let's talk about fuck. You can't say fuck in school, you fucking fat ass. Oh, why the fuck not? Eric. Say the fuck again. Stanley. Fuck. Kenny. Here's the deal. Yeah, hey, buddy. How do you fuck? How would you like to see a school counselor? How would you like to sit my bags? And I'm done. That's Random Ringtones. Goodbye.